Right, I'm struggling to have a win lately. So there we go, I've got one coat of paint and so this is the one colour I only had one spray can of this colour left on the shelf. Also, I tripped over my bloody camera holder. Snapped it clean off. A couple of small wins along the way though, so we got, oh look at that, a sticker for your car. This is brand new, but it didn't fit that profile, so I've just ground him down. Perfect. Today I've been kicking two cans down the road for probably long enough by now. One can is I don't show my face, but here we go. Second can is this front end that I put in off the Jag. Can I see? I'm filming backwards. That one. It's a I unbolted it straight from the Jag, set it in there, cleaned it up enough to weld it in and sit it there. With the idea that eventually I'd get around to detailing it and putting in new rubbers, mounts, all those springs. I want to put airbags in it instead of the springs, so I thought I'll just leave it, and I've been building around it, but it has come to a point. You know, when you start a project, and this is a 4 or 5 year project so far, and you do some stuff and you come back and you have a look and you go, ooh, what is happening? Why is that so wonkety woo-wah? I think it's gonna hit. I'm pretty sure I need to shorten that. And of course the simple solution is just to take the links out and move this up and down. It does touch both sides on the spring housing. Have I put this in backwards? Is this end supposed to be on the passenger side? Yeah, maybe I put it in upside down, but that does not line up. That is not a good geometry. Hey, there's no light over this side. The hole's uneven. Oh, we can get a bolt. They don't even line up, see? It's always going to be crooked. So now I remember. I've had to take this off to have a good look. It was on upside down. The reason it's on upside down is because the chassis is a lot narrower. It's hitting on these chassis rails. So all I had to do was make another mount for that out of the flat bar. But unfortunately, how hard do you reckon it is to get a bolt out? This one's snapped. I've used heat, all sorts of shit. It's taken about 4 hours so far. And I'm at the point now, I have to, disassemble this whole thing again, which is going to be a pain in the ass.
Oh dear, oh dear.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy grand banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doo.
Check it out. Check it out.
Oh my god.